Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove glue from your hardwood floors. It depends on what kind of glue it is, of course. If it's Elmer's glue or school glue, it's a lot easier to get that kind of glue out than it is Gorilla Glue, Super Glue. Glues like that are a little more tricky, a little less promising that you're going to get them out. But try this, because it just may work. The first thing you need to do is catch the glue as soon as you can. Try to catch it before it dries. If you don't catch the glue before it dries, this is a heat gun. It's like this is something you see on construction sites. Maybe your husband has one in the garage. Ask him first before you go looking for something you don't know what it is. But this is called a heat gun. Plug it in. You want to get the glue hot so that it's sticky again, and you can pull it up with a rag. The hotter that you get the glue and the more melted it is, the more you're going to be able to get it up out of the hardwood. If you don't have one of these, which most of us don't, you can use a hairdryer. Also, to spray, hold it close to the glue. It'll really get it loose and make it sticky, make it, a little more liquidy, and you'll be able to get it out easier that way. If you don't have a hairdryer handy, try getting a cloth, like any kind of cleaning cloth you have, put water in it, stick it in the microwave and get it really, really hot and set it on top of the glue. You're trying to loosen the glue up, like I said, trying to melt it a little bit, and use that same cloth to try to scrub the glue up. After you've done that, try to scratch at it and pick as much off as you can with your fingernails or a pair of tweezers. If you've used Gorilla Glue or some other kind of glue that's really not coming out, you're going to have to sand the spot and refinish it. Call your hardwood flooring company, whoever put your floors in first, and ask them what they suggest, because they may have a better idea, or they may have some special kind of cleaner that'll help get the glue out. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that's how you remove glue from hardwood floors.